Wattage 660.00. Voltage 250.00. Path Seymour porcelain keyless lamp holder is the perfect replacement for garage or closet lamp holders and easily mounts to an existing ceiling mount electrical box. Legrand Path Seymour 276 WHCC18 phenolic keyless lamp holder, easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. I've replaced all the high-energy lights in my garage with LED and used these for the change. I am used to the porcelain ones. These are super light in comparison and seem to have durability once installed. I've had them in for a few months without issue. They're a little flimsy, flexible comparatively, but I didn't break them. I installed 6 in all and have had no problems with them. They even come with instructions as to which wire goes where. Nice.